Welcome guys. In this video we will be see the Excel sources where you can learn from it. The first website is Chandoo.org. You can check it here. ExcelJet.org, excelcampus.com. Okay. Now mrexcel.com. Now we will see excelEasy.com, contextusersblog.com, excelofthegrid.com. Okay. Now exceltrick.com, excelbyte.com, trumpexels.com, excelcampus.com, spreadsheet.com, excelsimpro.com, albit.com, ठीक है, excelfind.com, exceltection, exceltv.com, myexcelonline.com or excelusual.com. Now the last is exceldashboardtemplates.com. You can check it here and easy to use how we can use the Excel properly. All these things very important, and if you thinking anything you can comment. Thank you for watching it.